How fast and far can a sneeze carry contagious germs? You probably know that sneezes carry germs that can cause illness, but you may be surprised when you know how fast germs can travel through a sneeze. According to a new study, germs from a cough or sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Another problem with these germs is that they are very small in size, so they can stay up in the air for very long periods, sometimes weeks. These germs carried by a sneeze or cough can cause the common cold or influenza. So to protect yourself, you should always keep a scarf with you and carry hand sanitizer.